Hey guys, you're watching the EJ Tech Show and welcome to the unboxing of the new Realme Narzo 50A. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Editor G channel for more videos like this. The Narzo 50A comes in a bright blue box like previous Narzo series devices, and on the back a few highlights of this phone have been mentioned, like its HELIO G85 chipset, 6000 mAh battery, 50 megapixel triple rear camera setup, and 18-watt charging speeds. We've got the oxygen blue color variant here, so let's unbox it and check it out. First up in the box, we've got a package with the SIM ejector tool and some paperwork. Underneath that, there's the Narzo 50A, which we'll set aside for a moment while we see what else is in the box. Below the phone, there's the USB-C to USB-A charging cable and the 18-watt charging adapter. Now let's get to unboxing the device itself. At first glance, the Narzo 50A looks quite funky. The oxygen blue color is quite a light shade of blue, and the back of the device has this two-tone finish. On the half below the camera module is a textured finish with a sort of wave pattern which helps reduce the overall visual bulk of the device. The camera module itself looks quite unique. It's got a part gloss black and part matte black finish and gets the fingerprint sensor embedded right below the lenses. It's a high-resolution 50 megapixel triple camera setup, so it should perform quite well. On the right side of the phone, you get a power button and the volume rockers, and on the left side you'll find the dual SIM plus micro SD card tray. On the bottom you'll see the USB-C port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a speaker grill. Anyway, time to boot it up and see how it runs. At first glance, the screen looks modern enough with the U-shaped camera cutout, but the bottom chin is quite bulky. If we check the phone's About section, we can see that it gets the previously mentioned HELIO G85 chip, along with 4GB RAM, 128GB internal storage, and Android 11 with Realme UI 2.0 on top. Scrolling through the phone feels like a pretty smooth experience, and right out of the box it feels snappy enough to use. The camera app shows that it can record videos at a maximum 1080p at 30fps and gets things like a 50 megapixel mode, portrait mode, and more. The fingerprint sensor also seems to respond quite quickly and unlock the device without a problem. So that was our unboxing of the Realme Narzo 50A. Do stay tuned for our upcoming full review right here on Editor G.